In this screencast, we will be going through how to build a new assessment. To start off, we're on the main assessments page. Now, let's click on New to create the new assessment. You can call it Test EGRA and hit Save. As you can see, we now have a new assessment called Test EGRA. To modify this assessment, click on the orange arrow button to the left. This will bring up a number of different options. The first option is Play. This will let you run the assessment. To the right is the Results button, which will let you view and export results from this specific assessment. The third button is Edit, to edit the assessment. The fourth button is Sync, which lets you sync your mobile device to the Tangerine Wizard. This button is Print and lets you print in a number of different formats. So if you would like to print the content, the stimuli, or a backup, you have your options there. Duplicate creates a duplicate of this assessment, and Delete would delete the assessment. To the right, you can see the download key, which will be relevant when you are downloading this assessment onto your mobile data collection device. For now, since the assessment does not have any content, let's go to Edit. This takes us to the Assessment Builder. As you'll see, the first item is the name of the assessment. Below that is the download key. Below that is the status, so you can choose to either have this assessment be active or archived. And below that, you can add subtests to the assessment. Since Tangerine is intended to be used with EGRA and EGMA learning assessments, it functions in really the same way, by putting together a series of subtests that come together to form one assessment. So to start off, let's add some of the subtests. Start off with date and time is usually the first subtest that is included in the assessment. Next, we can add school location. This will provide questions on the school's location for the data set. The third subtest that is usually included is student ID, which will randomly generate a student identification, a series of letters to identify the student with. The fourth is the consent form. This is where you will have the consent item and selecting no on this screen will terminate the assessment. These four subtests are included in every EGRA assessment. As you can see, beside each assessment, you have the option to edit, to copy to, and to delete. You can also move them around to change the order of the assessments. Now, most EGRA assessments will start off with initial sounds. So we can add that.